Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a bird which we will draw and paint in Madhubani Art Style. So let's start. So material needed for this: zero number brush, double zero brush and triple zero brush, pencil, eraser, sharpener, compass, water to wash our brushes, towel and ruler. We will be using in this white, black, red, two shades of orange, yellow and two shades of green. So let's start. We will leave almost 1 inch or 2-3 centimeter on all the four sides. This is for framing. Now, in Madhubani art, border is compulsory and also it's always double line. So, you can take thickness of border anything. You can draw two borders also. So, I've drawn this. How to draw two borders, I'm going to tell you. This is 2.5. So I'm going to draw one border 1.5. Now in this space, I'm going to mark 1 centimeter distance on all the sides. This is black color paint and I'm using a 000 number brush. So paint should be only on the tip of the brush. So for outline, I'm giving this design. Now here we are going to draw one Ashtadal flower. Ashtadal flower means which has 8 petals. Now we are going to draw our first border. I'll start from here. I'm just connecting the dots. Are going to draw small triangles here inside the big triangle. This work is called Alankaran. Alankaran means decoration. Mithila art has a very old history. There is a saying that when Ramchandra ji took his barat to Janakpuri, that time Raja Janak asked the ladies of his kingdom to decorate the kingdom. So whatever resources they had, they used them and they painted everywhere on the walls, on the floor, on the roads, on their houses, everywhere. And their main resource was coal or burnt wood. So black color is very, very important in Mithila art. Also, they drew everywhere double line or black outline. So these are some of the specialities that border should be there. Border should have double line. Inside design can have single line, not a problem. And black outline is compulsory. This is the basic. My third color is golden yellow. Everything I'm filling with 000 number brush because it's very fine work. In Madhubani, normally we don't draw the dots. Only in a special kind of Madhubani painting, which are called Tantric Madhubani, they draw the dots. Circle is allowed. You can draw the circle. I'm going to use dark red color or maroon color. This filling of colors is known as harni. Harni means filling of colors. And the line work what we did here is known as kachni. So whatever line work we will do, we'll use the term kachni. And for filling of colors, we'll use the term harni. There is no shading in Madhubani art. Shiny colors are not allowed. Actually, they used to paint with the twigs and natural colors which are found abundantly in the nature. That was the old style. Now only all these acrylic paints, poster colors have come. So in olden days there were no such paints available, and they used to have only the colors made out of natural dyes, like from green vegetables you get the color, from the leaves you get the color, from the flowers you get the color. So those colors were used. Let's start drawing our bird. This is our bird ready. Now around the bird we'll show the green leaves. So the branch of the tree. This is the design in the background. It will be filled with the leaves, etc. Let me draw the design in black color quickly. I am using 000 number brush. I'll start from the top so that my hand will not spoil the painting. Very simple leaves, but there are no half lines in Madhubani. Like normal leaf, we show like this. We cannot do this. We have to show full line. I'll come to bird's outline now. There are two styles to make these paintings. In one style, people make painting, full painting, only in black and white color with lots of line work. That is called Kachni style. Other one, they fill lots of colors with black outline. That is called Bharni style. Nowadays, most of the artists are doing combination of both the styles. Normally, white paint is not used in folk arts. It's just the white paper or white cloth surface which is left untouched. For the leaves, I'm using this green. This is fabric color, acrylic paint. with this, our bird is ready. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching, sharing and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.